Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is July the 7th, 2018, and this is another potato bin that we did, and we did the same thing with them. We hilled up around them as they were growing until they got to a certain point, and then we just stopped. And these here, they're about done. The stalks are about done. And these are some of our red potatoes. So we're going to show you here how we get them out. The gnats are really bad, so I'm trying to keep them away from my face.
We try not to disturb the stalks as much as we can.
Dig around in here and see if we can find any potatoes. There's one.
What are you doing? You're feeling for a potato to pull out without pulling the stalk out.
Yeah, he's feeling around for potatoes so that we don't want to pull the stalks out.
Give him a little bit more chance.
We just want to find some of the potatoes for supper tonight. There's one. Oh, you covered your other one up. There's another one. Right there.
We'll let that on because it's small.
That one's still on the stalk and it's small, so we're letting that one on over there. We're just looking for the ones where the runners went out from the stalk, so we can grab those.
You're not going to get them all off that stalk. You're just going to get a couple of them.
Here his. And I have a list on my blog of the different potatoes that you can hill up around, and they should send the runners out for you.
I had taken some off of you earlier, so there we go.
Oh, there we go. There's one. There's another one.
There's another one.
There's another one.
That's enough for supper.
So that's how.
And over here's one. You can see a little guy here. We're gonna let him on. He'll get bigger.
Your hand's in the way.
No, you're in the way of the light.
Oh, sorry. Okay, there's a little one on there. You can see it. It's still attached to the stalk. The stalk's still green, so we're going to let that one on to get bigger. But we're going to be having these here and these back here for supper tonight.
Yeah.
These are nice potatoes, sorry. And here's some of our onions that we're going to be using. We just pulled them with supper tonight. They're going to be going in with the potatoes. We're going to be putting them on the grill together. So this potato patch here, it's in a raised bed. You see how we did them. And this was actually planted before Easter. It was planted the day before Easter. And we're in Pennsylvania in zone 5B. And so these actually went through snow, freezes, frost, and this is what they came to look like later on. And we've had a very, very wet year this year, and it's playing havoc with a lot of our vegetables, and stuff isn't quite growing as it should be, but these appear to do pretty good for us. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that bell notification button all the times I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.